Little update action. So working this north side, and a couple things we've done. We just had to bring this post up to height, so I had to add a little piece on. We filled in this gap, so we'll be able to run a second 4x4 top plate across. So we're just filling in with that gap. It's not super structure, just some 2x4s and other thin pieces to fill that, and then we'll spray foam it eventually on the backside. This transom window, obviously, we got in. We put a little switcher here, so we can just use that to open it or close it. So it's a nice little lever we have put up there. So that's the north side. We have got our post and flat plate for the front. What we'll have to do is install this window here, and we have almost packed in so much trash into these cinder blocks. Oh my gosh, we are saving it from the landfill. Yeah, so we're filling it in there with some dirt. I have one little hole to fill, and we will be good to go. Loving it. So we got to install on the south side here a transom window. So we added this support and we cut the top off there, so that'll be leveled and we can put a beam, and then the transom will swing out here. That window is solid and in. That's one of the ones we had to putty up. On the west side, or the east side, excuse me, what we're doing is just trying to look at how we're going to get the top. That's a piece I threw up there. It's not attached, but just to kind of get a sense of what kind of pieces I'm going to need. The south side is obviously higher than the north side because we want the rain to come to the north side to enter in on that corner. So this is that transom window we did a bunch of work on. So pretty good structurally. We've fixed the frame. We've got a new frame on it, and it's going to go right up in this corner. So I had to build this up a little bit, tie all that together. And again, is this up to code? No, it's a greenhouse. We're not worried about, oh, I didn't extend the post up all the way. We're going to make it as structurally sound as the plants tolerate, but I don't have any plant codes here. So I've got another side piece we added onto there. So now I have the beam that's going to go across there is right here, which is great because we've already fitted it. And the other thing we've done, we've marked where the window is going to be. So I have marks on the side here, and now I'm putting in, instead of this guy where we put in the clamps on the window and then try to hung it upside down. That was a pain in the buttocks. So let's do a little bit of this. We're going to throw the clamp in, or the hinge in now. So I'm clamping it, putting 2 holes in, going to drill those in. I'll have this ready to go. I'm going to attach the window to this, and we'll install it all in block. I think that's going to be a lot easier, so let's see how that goes.